Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. So, day 3 in Fullerton. So pretty much we got everything down. Last night we were able to get one coat down. So let's take a look what we got. So we got one coat of finish down. Got satin finish. You see like the powder marks. My guy's just buffed right now. We're about to throw vacuum up here and then put the second coat down. But so this is the first coat. Second coat, more or less, is for protection, but more or less that's what the floor will look like once the second coat's all dried up. We'll do another video in a little bit. But go ahead and take a quick look. That's more like it. This has been vacuumed. You can see there's dust footprints and everything like that. It's just dust. It just needs to be vacuumed. Probably shouldn't step on that, but let me show you guys real quick. Everything pretty much got cleaned up. You can see the color difference from the original first video we did. Everything's super clean. It's more or less what the floor is going to look like. Like I said, it does need another coat or two, but after the second coat, you'll more or less be able to see what the floor is going to look like. But what a difference. All these dark spots sanded out for the most part. There was right here, right in front of the chimney, there was like this big dark spot. It's gone. You know, everything looks really good once we get that vacuumed up and everything. So once we vacuum up a little bit, throw the second coat down, we'll do another video just to give you guys another update to see what it looks like. But everybody have a great Friday, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Take care, everybody.